Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Codex app on Windows operating system. So here I'm going to open this place Microsoft Store and they're going to search Codex. Then here you need to go on this Codex that's come from OpenAI developer tools, the official Codex desktop app from OpenAI. So let's click on this gate and here getting ready. And for this one, net should be there because this will do some download as well as install. Here you can see codecs that download as well as install. Now there we need to click on this open. And here welcome to Codex and to enter API key continue with chat GPT. So this selecting their first option. So this you can sign in with the chat GPT, Google, Apple, Microsoft phone. So they're going to use their Google. Now here you can see sign in to Codex that's completed. And here click on this continue. So here you can see this that's come there. So they're first here going to move on this desktop and here you need to select the directory. So here I'm going to select the future upload. Future upload and let's here I'm going to write there hi, press enter. So here how can I help you? So now you can ask here any question, how to get second highest salary in MongoDB. So this thinking, now this is returning the, so this here returning the query. Okay. So DB employees, then this is the query and here by using this query you can easily get there any second highest salary. So this is how we can install and use Codex on Windows operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.